Hello friends, welcome to the channel. Today I am going to start another series of OpenCV. We will cover every aspect of OpenCV from basics till face recognition, and of course after this series we will integrate this final project to our JARVIS also. If you don't know about my JARVIS project, link is in description. So go and watch that. So before start, if you like the idea and content, make sure you have hit the like button right now. Let's start with today's video. So in this video, we are going to see how to install modules and how we can access the camera to capture the videos. So here I have created this project by the name face recognition, and let's see how you can install the modules on your system. As I have already mentioned in my previous video that the best way to install any module is to have the requirements.txt file. So here what I need to do, I am just going to have requirements.txt. So by having this file, you don't worry about the OS dependency. You just need to list your required modules here, and that module will automatically installed on your system. So first module is OpenCV contrib Python, and second is OpenCV Python. So you need to install both the modules, right? And if these modules are not installed on your system, so when you are going to create the Python file, so I'm naming it as recognition, right, and hit enter, and here you will get a yellow strip, and there you will get the pop-up that these modules are not installed on your system. Then you just need to click on the install modules and it will get installed, right? So let me show you whether these modules are installed or not. So interpreter and go to the yes, here you can see we have both the modules here, right? So I am just going to close this, and here first you need to import the CV2 module, right? And it is imported. Now we are going to access the camera which is available on our system. So there may be multiple camera devices, like I have Mac inbuilt camera, and you can have some external webcam also. So how you can access a particular webcam? So for that, what you need to do, you need to CV2 and video capture, we have this class, and here you need to give the index of your camera which you want to access. So here, like, I'll just give WebCam, right? And here we are going to access our video capture. So on Mac, when you are going to run this, it will ask to that you are going to access the camera. So you need to give the permission to the PyCharm to access the camera, right? If you have already done that, then it will not going to ask it. So like in my case, right? So now you need to read the video from your webcam. So how you can read that? So we have for that webcam.read, and here you can see it is taking the image parameter. So if you are not going to give this image parameter, it will detect the images or videos from your video capture device. Now as you all know that the video, any of the video is the combination of multiple images, so that is why it is here as image. If you pass the image, then it will going to read that particular image. If you are not going to pass any image, then it will just get from your video capture device, right? So here it will return two variables. So what I should have, so retrieve I'll just have, and again I'll have like frame, right? So these are the two things which this read method will going to retrieve. Yes, so yes, okay. So this method, this read method will return two variables. First is retrieve and second one is frame. So retrieve will be as boolean, and frame, here we will get some numpy arrays, right? So let me just show you print retrieve and frames, right? So yes, and this will be frames, not only a single frame, right? So if I'm going to run this, let's see what we will get. So here you can see we are getting these numpy arrays, and here we are getting true. So here we will get false if we are not going to any video from our video capture device, right? So here now how we can have all these numpy arrays as the image as the video. So for that, what I need to do, I am going to just do cv2 dot im show, and it will take two parameters, window name. So here you can pass any of these string, like I'll just give try to catch, and here you need to pass the frame, right? So frames, and let's see what will going to happen here. So yes, okay, so I am show, okay, nothing is happened. Okay, okay, yes, okay, nothing is going to happen. So what I need to do here first, okay, so as we are going to have all the frames which is coming under our video capture device, so to read those images continuously, we need to create a while loop here. So yes, like this, and let's run it and let's see what is going to be happen here now. So yes, it's accessing my camera and the window is small right now, right? So I'm going to close this and let's see what will happen. So again, you need to write a code to close this window when you are going to press any of the key. So for that we have this cv2. So this is the code which I copied from internet. So 0xff. Okay, so this should be outside of this parenthesis, right? Equals to ord, and here any of the key you can pass. So I am just passing small key, and here from this loop will going to break, right? So let me run this again and let's see. Yes, we get the video capture device, right? And we are getting this image. So below of it you can see here we have this X and Y and RGB colors which we are going to have in our camera. So if I'll just stop to move this cursor, then the X and Y value will be the constant, right? So this X and Y value is related to the position of your pointer or cursor, you can see, right? So I'm going to close this. So okay, so I can only close it by pressing the small key. Yes, it is closed. So as you can see friend, this is the simple code how to access your video capture device. So let me brief you again. So here we are accessing a camera device, access video device, or you can say, and here we are getting frames from, okay, spelling mistake, frames from video device, right? And setting up the frames into UI, you can say, okay, and here closing the window by pressing Q, right? So these are these just 4 or 5 steps by having you can access your video capture device. So in next video we will see how we can create a shape over the face so that from that frame you can read the image, right? And I hope you like this video. If you have any question related to this, you can comment down in the comment section, and I have given the link of Telegram group also in the description box, so you can join me on my Telegram group, and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more interesting videos like this. So see you in next video. Till then, thank you for watching. Jai Hind.